What is up, YouTube? We're going to take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin and XRP tonight. Happy Labor Day to everybody. Hope everybody's doing well, staying safe. Okay, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Let's see, Bitcoin, we started out the day. Let me make sure this is the one-day chart. Yeah, that's the one-day chart. Sorry about the background noise. I kind of have a college football game on. This is my first game of the year. I know they had a game Saturday, but BYU is kicking the crap out of Navy, so I'm kind of listening to that game. But anyway, okay, guys, we started out the day for BTC at about 10,246. Started to retrace again. 10,126, and this is our lowest point here, which is about 9,953.25. And then, of course, we started to recover, as we always do. I think right here is going to be your high point, 10,391.87. So it looks like we're trying to recover. I would still be a little bit wary because tomorrow is technically Monday, but tomorrow's Tuesday. So the markets are going to be open tomorrow, so we just need to kind of keep an eye on it. I mean, if the stock market tanks, you can basically guarantee that cryptos are going to probably tank as well, so just be careful. I mean, if you got 10 grand burning a hole in your pocket, what I would do if I were you, I would just kind of hold off a little bit until tomorrow at least to see what tomorrow morning looks like, see how things look throughout the day. I've found when I am buying stocks, of course I have no patience, so what I tend to do is I always buy my stocks in the morning. Well, the best thing to do is to buy your stocks in the evening, or well, toward the end of the day, like say after lunch, 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. You know, this is for the stock market basically, but for the crypto market, you know, I would wait toward the end of the day's trading. I mean, I know crypto is open 24/7, but you do have a point where things kind of start to slow down. So don't be like me and like pull the trigger the first minute the bell rings and the markets are open. You know, give it a little time to digest and just kind of calm down and everything. So let's move on to Ethereum. Let's see. Interact, okay. All right, with Ethereum, it looks like Ethereum is struggling to stay above 350. I think 350, 347, 345 to 350 is your support levels for Ethereum. And it looks like it's trying to build that support. I mean, if it could stay above 350, that'd be great. I keep thinking it's going to plummet all the way to eventually 115 like it did last time. But hopefully we're building up enough, you know, steam where, hey, it'll stay above 300. That would be great because I should be getting my miner either Thursday or Friday, so I'm really fired up about that. I do have my one computer going again. I've got a Radeon, it's like a Radeon 580 my friend traded me. And it's a 4 gigabyte, but I didn't think 4 gigabytes could still mine Ethereum because I thought the DAG thing is the DAG file was too small on it. So luckily it's mining so far, and I got a hash rate of about 10.55, which kind of sucks, but I mean, at least I'm mining right now. And once I get my new rig set up, I'm hoping I'll have about 5 GPUs going. And I'll eventually get another one for 6. Or I'll just put that Radeon in there and I'll have 6 of them. I'm hoping that this one will give me at least 100 to 120 hashes, which would be amazing. That'd be close to 200, about 125 at current prices to $200 a month for just mining. So that'll give me a lot of playing with money. So, Ether. We started out today at about 354, started to retrace, went down to 340, and then we got a low at about 327.51, so thankfully it didn't go any further. But I mean, like I said, there's always room for it to drop even more, so let's hope it doesn't do that. But then look at this, it started to go back up again, kind of fell back a little bit, but then it went back up to 349, 343, 349, and then we shot all the way up here, 354. So far, I think 354. Let's see back here, make sure. Yeah, 354 is going to be your high for today, and 327 is going to be your low. So it's hanging out between 327 and 354. That is your current. That looks like it's your current support levels for Ethereum. So let's move on to. I mean, there's really nothing else to report on Ethereum. I haven't seen any kind of news, or I know that they're expecting Ethereum 2.0, which is some kind of a stake kind of thing. I need to. I've kind of been out of circulation for a while, and I'm finally getting to the point where I'm feeling like doing this again. It's just like I said, I've had a lot of stuff happening to me, my seizure, my wife passing and everything. It kind of takes the steam out of your sails for a while, but I feel like I'm back. I'm ready to start dating again. I'm talking to a really nice lady right now. She's really sweet. I really like her a lot. She's awesome, and we'll see where it goes. But anyway, Litecoin. Litecoin is a puzzling coin. It likes to hang out at about the $48 to $50 range right now, which is good. I mean, remember a couple of years ago, we were down to $23, and I was actually allowed to buy one at that price. So now, let's see, for today, is this on one day? Let me, yeah, here we go. Okay, here we go, okay. Shoot. This is, okay. 47 was your start. We went up to about 48, retraced, but this is a lot of ping pong action on Litecoin, so really not a whole lot to report. 48.52. Here's your high point right here, 49.07, and 45 is your low. Between 45 and 49, those are your, I'd say those are your support levels for Litecoin. So really with Litecoin, there's not a whole lot going on, so I'm going to kind of move on to XRP, and then I'm going to talk about stocks just for a minute because I'm contemplating doing something. I don't know if it's stupid and foolish, but we'll see what happens. Okay, XRP, guys. We all know what XRP... I don't really know. I mean, has XRP actually been moving? Let's see. Okay. It's on the one-day chart now. Looks like XRP is actually green. Okay. We started off at about 2.237, went down to 0.230, and went back up to 0.242. So basically, between 0.242 and 2.43 is where you're hanging out. I still think that XRP could really blast off. It's just a matter of time, guys. Some coins, and that's it for XRP right now, but some coins tend to just take forever to move, and unfortunately, XRP happens to be one of those coins. I remember when it was 350 back in 2017. If you're a holder of, say, 1,000 XRP coins, I'm considering getting into that at a safe level. And I'm thinking that, if it blasts off to even $1 again, guys, 1,000 coins times $1, well, do the math. 1,000 coins times $3, do the math. You've got a tremendous supply right now. Your supply, like I said before, is what's keeping you down. And That's your problem right now is your supply. Not enough demand and too much supply. So once we got to get that FOMO, that fear of missing out going on again. So if we can do that, we can push this coin up. I mean, I see massive potential for all these coins. We just need the perfect storm. So last thing I'm going to talk to you about, I'm going to get rid of this chart. Yeah, screw it, I'll just leave it up. The last thing I want to talk about is I've got, since the split, for I think it was Friday we had the split for Apple. I now have 5 shares because I sold some of my Marathon to buy Apple cheap. Well, I'm going to let Apple go up a little bit more. I'm going to see if it'll go up a little more because I hold 51 shares of Marathon Oil right now. They're at $4.93, $4.93 a share. While it's so low right now, there's a lot of people speculating that when oil comes back, when people start driving again, you know, they're thinking that Marathon